Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich, creamy homemade treat, Milk Malai Ice Cream. It's soft, flavorful and made with just a few ingredients. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon custard powder and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Add half cup milk. Mix well and keep aside. Corn flour and custard powder provide a natural thickening without heavy cream. In a pan, pour 3 cups milk. Stir and let it come to a boil. Use full-fat milk for a richer and creamier texture. Add half cup sugar and mix until dissolved. Now slowly add the custard mixture while stirring. Malai is the natural cream formed from boiled milk and adds richness to dessert. Keep stirring on low heat to avoid lumps. Keep stirring the milk continuously after adding the custard to avoid lumps. Let the milk simmer for 7 to 8 minutes until slightly thickened. Once done, allow it cool down completely. Pour the mixture into a container and freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. After freezing, cut into pieces and add to a blender. No churn ice cream are becoming super popular for their simplicity and texture. Ice cream used to be a royal treat in ancient India, reserved for kings and queens. Blend after the first freeze to get a soft and scoopable ice cream. Add half cup malai or cream. And blend for about 2 minutes. Pour the creamy mixture into a plastic box. Top with some chopped dry fruits. Add dry fruits only after the second blend for better texture and taste. And now keep it in freezer again for 4 to 6 hours. Once fully set, remove from the mold. And there you have it, delicious homemade milk malai ice cream. Homemade ice cream is free from preservatives and artificial colors. Malai and milk are good sources of calcium and healthy fats. Did you enjoy this creamy homemade milk malai ice cream? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enovin Cake and Cookies for more delightful and easy to make treats. See you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, stay happy and keep cooking.